Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're bringing you the full match, highlights from an incredible first test between Australia and Bangladesh in Darwin. What a stunning finish this was. Australia won the toss and came into the match with confidence, but Bangladesh produced an outstanding performance and created history with a memorable 9-wicket victory. Australia were bowled out for 198 runs in their first innings. Bangladesh then responded in style, putting together a massive total of 426 runs and taking a huge first innings lead. With Australia under pressure, they fought back in the second innings and scored 284 runs, but that still left Bangladesh with just 57 runs to win the test match. And Bangladesh made absolutely no mistake. They chased down the target, finishing on 57 for 1 wicket, completing a stunning 9-wicket victory over Australia. This was a brilliant all-round performance from Bangladesh. Their bowlers kept Australia under pressure, their batters showed great confidence, and the entire team remained composed when it mattered most. For Australia, it was a tough result, but for Bangladesh, this was a huge statement and a victory to remember. From Australia's 198 in the first innings to Bangladesh's massive 426, Australia's 284 in the second innings, and finally Bangladesh reaching 57 for 1. This test had plenty of drama and exciting moments. So sit back and enjoy the full match highlights, featuring the biggest wickets, best batting moments, key turning points, and all the action from this memorable test in Darwin. Bangladesh have done it, a 9-wicket victory over Australia. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more cricket highlights and updates. Thanks for watching.